Today I will show you how you can use HLookup in MS Excel. To get more video like this, you can subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notification in your email. Okay, so here we have sample data in which we have name of students in the row, and the subject name is in the column, and we have all the relative marks of that particular student for a particular subject, right? Here what we need, we have a drop down and we want all the marks according to this drop down. Now we have to write HLookup for that, right? HLookup. Now it will ask for lookup value, so we will get the lookup value from here. Now we need table array. Let me get table array from here. Now it will ask row index number. You can put row index number explicitly for all the subjects, or you can use match function to get the row number, right? So let me use the match function for that. Match. Next, again for the match function, it will ask for the lookup value. So from where it will get the lookup value? It will get the lookup value from above column header. Okay, so here the lookup value is the cell of math. Next, it will ask for the lookup array, from where it will compare this lookup value. So it will compare this lookup value from here in the table, in the main table. Okay, now it will ask for the match type. So we will put 0 for the exact match. Okay, next we will put a comma and put a 0 for the exact match, and we will press the enter. Now you can see Bablu, how much he got in maths. So here is the Bablu and math is here, so he got 69. But what's the problem? When you will drag, it will show error, right? So for that we need to freeze some lookup arrays or some fields, right? So here is the formula what we have used in HLookup. But what's the problem? What's the problem when we will drag it instead of E22, which is this E22. Instead of E22, when you will drag here, it will take F22, means it will move this cell by 1, right? So you are not going to get the correct lookup value, so it will start showing you error. Not only this, even if you will see other fields also, other arguments also, you will get the same changes in different formulas, and that is the reason you are getting error. Okay, so what we will do here, okay, what we will do here, we will freeze some arguments. For that we will press F4. This is the shortcut key to freeze the columns, the arguments. Okay, now here also we will press F4 to freeze it. Now for the match, if you will see here, for match we have F21. So here is F and 21, right? So when you will move ahead for signs, it will become F20, it will become G21. Okay, it will become G21. When you will move for language, it will become H21. So it's not wrong, it's correct, right? So we don't need to freeze this argument, but the lookup array here, this will be the same for all the values. Okay, so we need to freeze this one. So press F4 and then press enter. Still in maths, Bablu has got 69. Let me change the name, Yash 92. But let me, like you can see, Yash is here 92. He got maths in 92. But let me drag it, and you got all the numbers and not an error. So let me check how much Yash has got. In maths he got 92, in science he got 50, in language he got 92, again in physics he got 66, in chemistry he got 62, and in social science he got 40. So it's all correct. Now you can try to change the number Radhika. So how much Radhika has got? So Radhika is here 58, 59, 44, 50, 73 and 48. So this is correct. So in this way you can use HLookup formula, and even if you want to drag that formula and use for subsequent cells, then you can freeze some of the arguments, so that if it's not required to increment, it could be freezed. Like if all the cells are using same set of data, then it should be freezed. So in this way you can use HLookup. And if you like the video, you can subscribe the video, or if you have any question, you can ask me that question in comment. I will try my best to answer each and every question. Thank you.